Hi folks, this is Andre from Timesact, and in this video I want to show you how you can set a limit on your pre-orders so that people can only buy a certain amount from you. Okay, we have two ways of doing this, and the first one I'm just going to show you right here. I'm in my pre-orders tab in the app. I'm going to go add products. I'll just select a product that has no inventory, like this variant here in the medium. And remember that these limits are always at a variant level, okay? So here I have the option of either leaving unlimited inventory, which is the default. I'm going to untick this, and it's going to request that I input an actual quantity. And let me say that I want 5 pieces, okay? And this can go, by the way, with the pre-order only when out of stock option or the pre-order regardless of stock levels option, so it works for both. I just entered the quantity in here. Let me just set the shipping date so that it looks better. Okay. Now I've saved this and it is active now, so I can go and I can see it on my website. Okay, perfect. And if you remember, my limit was 5. So now if I try, for example, to add 6, I'm going to get this prompt. You can only pre-order 5 items. Okay. So now if I actually ask for 5, those I'm able to add to my cart. Okay, so that is one way to do it, and this method does have its limitations. Okay, because for example, if I go inside my cart here and I change this to 6, I'm able to bypass the limitation, and that is because Shopify does not allow us to make actual changes in the checkout process, so inject code, because that would break certain security protocols. Like if we can change this, then we can change prices, we can do all sorts of things, and that would not be okay. So if you actually have a quantity selector in your cart, I would recommend an alternative way that's 100% foolproof. Let me just go ahead and delete this and show you what I mean. So we have this option added in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add another variant, and it can be one with stock actually. Okay, next. And I'm going to go here to pre-order only when Shopify inventory is available. Okay, so that means that I'm only going to sell what I have in Shopify as pre-orders, and that means that I get to use all the native Shopify functionality. So you'll see the advantages in a minute. I'm going to hit save here. And this variant is also active because I have stock in Shopify. You can simply go here and check on that stuff. And basically, the new limit that I'm offering is now going to be the actual inventory that I set in Shopify for everything. So if I want to make it the same example with the 5 items, I'm going to hit save here. And then if I go here and I preview this item on my store, you're going to see that if I try to add 6 items, it will not allow me to do so. Okay, so again, this is native Shopify working here. If I add 5, it's going to allow me to do so. And now if I go into my cart here and I try to update it to 6, it's going to take me back to 5. Okay, because this is all the built-in logic in Shopify that exists already. So no matter where you have these quantity selectors, because your website could be completely custom, this is just going to work and you're never going to oversell. So if it's a real hard requirement for you that you never oversell for any reason, this would be my recommendation for a way to limit what people can pre-order from you. Hope they found this useful. Thank you.